In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anonymize comments in Microsoft Word. Remove name from comments. This is an important step when you're preparing a document to share with others and want to make sure your identity and personal details are not attached to comments or hidden data. Microsoft Word automatically stores author information and document metadata, and if you're not careful, that information can be exposed when you send the file to someone else or upload it online. To get started, open the Microsoft Word document you want to clean. If it isn't already open, locate the file on your computer and double-click it to launch Word. Once the document is fully open, take a moment to ensure everything you want to keep is saved, since this process focuses on removing background information, not visible content. Next, move your attention to the upper left corner of the Word window and click on the File tab. This takes you out of the editing view and into the document management area. From here, select the Info option. This section shows details about your file, including properties that may contain personal data. Within the Info area, look for the option labeled Inspect Document. Click on it, and then choose Inspect Document again from the menu that appears. This tool is designed to scan your file for hidden information that may not be obvious while editing, such as author names, document properties, and personal metadata linked to comments. A dialog box will now open. Leave all the default options selected and click the Inspect button to begin the scan. The inspection only takes a few seconds. Once it's finished, Word will display a report showing the types of hidden information found in your document. Pay close attention to the section called Document Properties and Personal Information. This is where names connected to comments and other identifying details are typically stored. To anonymize your document, click the Remove All button next to the section. Word will immediately strip out that personal data, helping ensure comments are no longer linked to your identity. After the removal is complete, close the inspection window. For best results, close the document and reopen it to make sure the changes are fully applied. At this point, your document is clean and ready to share without revealing personal information. By taking a few moments to inspect and clean your Word files, you can protect your privacy and confidently share documents with clients, colleagues, or the public. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.